Tonight, bakers are taking over my kitchen. You guys ready? And here to sweeten things up tonight, from Holiday Baking Championships, Lorraine Pascale, and Food Network star champion, Damaris Phillips.
Hello.
What's happening, ladies?
Hey. Are you ready to meet your competition for tonight? He has been baking since he was a Boy Scout. From New Orleans, let's give some sugar to Jeremy Fogg. Jeremy! Oh, Lord.
Yeah. Our next contender has 30 years of experience making sweet delights. Please welcome Andrea Bergin.
Jeremy, Andrea, welcome. The ultimate goal is to take me down. But first, you must go through each other. I'm gonna give you 20 minutes to take an ingredient of my choice and make it the star of your dish. Break out the glasses, because that ingredient is... Wait for it. Prosecco. Italian sparkling wine. Ready? Go. Cheers.
I'm making a floating meringue and a prosecco and basil candied orange. For the candied oranges, I mixed prosecco, tangerine juice, and sugar to create the syrup.
I am making a lemon and prosecco deconstructed cheesecake with prosecco-glazed berries and vanilla bean whipped cream. I'm going with the deconstructed cheesecake because there's really not enough time to bake.
For the meringue, you only want to use the egg whites for that glossy finish. So I dissolve the sugar into the egg whites, start mixing.
2 minutes left.
I really want to add a little texture to the dish, so I'm going to make a layer of graham cracker crust with brown sugar.
45 seconds. What was that sound?
Nobody else? I get so nervous.
I really need to start plating, so I put a little prosecco broth. I take my meringue and drop that on top.
I start with graham cracker crust, top the berries, and then lemon prosecco cheesecake.
Now I'm torching the meringue, so it's going to give a nice crust.
10, 9,
I top with whipped cream and mint.
6, 5, 4,
4.
I'm finishing with basil candied oranges on top.
3, 2, 1.
I've put enough prosecco in that broth and that syrup, so it should come through quite nicely.
This plate is stunning and beautiful. Jeremy, I'm gonna take you down.
Jeremy, tell us what you made.
I made a floating meringue in a prosecco broth with basil prosecco candied orange slices.
The look of this plate is absolutely delightful. The meringue is like a little cloud. I wish that was a unicorn sitting on top of it. But I am missing some contrast of texture, but it is delicious.
Thank you.
Your sauce is very refined, and I'm really getting Prosecco. Unfortunately, the orange is so powerful that it sort of wipes out every other flavor. Andrea, what did you make?
I made a deconstructed lemon and prosecco cheesecake, prosecco-glazed berries, and vanilla bean whipped cream.
Berries, Prosecco, perfect marriage, but it's almost like all I can taste is the alcohol and not the actual flavor of the Prosecco.
The graham cracker crust, it has that texture that is such a lovely complement to the cheesecake filling. But that mint is such a strong flavor. All the Prosecco is now a, like, co-host. It's kind of a Lorraine and Damaris to Bobby Flay. And the baker, moving on to Beat Bobby Flay, is Jeremy.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Chef.
How are you feeling about round 2?
Really confident.
Yes, he is! Yes, Jeremy. Sorry.
What are we baking tonight?
My signature dish is an ice cream sandwich.
You have 45 minutes, which starts right now.
Since I was in the Boy Scouts growing up, my dish is all gonna be a take on a s'mores, the ultimate dessert mashup I grew up eating around the campfire. So I am making a toasted marshmallow ice cream sandwich inside of a graham waffle taco shell topped with a cinnamon candy syrup. First, I'm gonna torch those marshmallows because that's really what's gonna give the s'mores flavor to the ice cream.
Oh, there's some blowtorch action going on in Jeremy's kitchen.
Just going camping.
Bobby,
house on fire.
I'm a Boy Scout. A little fire never scared me. So I'm going to melt them into the ice cream base, which is heavy cream, milk, and sugar.
What is Mr. Flay doing?
He just now put on his apron, and that's how frazzled he is.
Baking may not be my forte, but I like ice cream sandwiches. Definitely a childhood favorite of mine. So I'm gonna stick with the classic version and stick some ice cream between 2 chocolate cookies. I have to make sure that I can bake them and then cool them down so that the ice cream in the middle won't melt. Add some brown sugar, eggs, flour, cocoa powder, and then some bittersweet chocolate.
Making ice cream in 45 minutes is a little bit risky. It's very important for the ice cream base to be chilled, so I get that into the blast chiller.
So you're blast chilling it. Are you churning it?
I will be surprising y'all with how I'm going to make this ice cream.
What? Oh, liquid nitrogen. I got you.
Found it.
Okay, that's pretty smart.
Liquid nitrogen is something that can churn an ice cream in a pinch.
You're going down, Bobby Flay.
The liquid nitrogen is a cool idea, but it's all gonna come down to technique and balance of flavors.
Now that my ice cream base is chilling, I need to start cooking my waffle taco shells. I'm making a standard batter with milk and some water, whole eggs, sugar, but I'm substituting some of the flour for graham crackers for that flavor that you're so used to with the s'mores.
Oh, and they're going in the waffle maker. Great technique, good thinking.
I taste my cookie batter. It actually tastes pretty good. Next, I scoop out my cookies.
Are they gonna cook in time? They look quite big.
Are they gonna cool down in time?
Did you weigh out the right ingredients?
Are you gonna flatten them? Uh-oh. I just don't know, Bobby. What should we do?
Pay attention to him.
Everybody, let's focus on Bobby's technique right now.
I go ahead and flatten them out so they bake a little faster. And I get them into the oven. I put the eggs in there, right?
No.
I did, right? Okay.
I think I might put an extra couple eggs in. Think about it. Bobby, what are you doing?
Bobby!
Bobby! You know why he has time to stand? Because he's not making his own ice cream.
He's got cinnamon candy. I like that.
I'm gonna go and have a look for myself.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you think about him not making his own ice cream?
I think that's cheating.
Did you hear that, Bobby?
He's 1,000% right.
What a sassy little thing.
So where's your ice cream?
In the freezer.
Yeah.
Let's go look. Come on.
Let's go look.
We have some vanilla, we have black raspberry, pistachio.
So which one are you gonna use?
I don't know. Which one do you want me to use?
I think you should use the black raspberry.
Done.
That's a really good choice.
If I can't get this ice cream right, this is gonna make me one of the biggest failures in Bobby's kitchen. So I'm going to follow Bobby's lead.
So he's cooling it down with a little bit of pre-made ice cream. That's a really smart move at this point in the game.
How's it looking now, Jeremy?
It's working.
Yeah! Yeah! We ate ice cream!
I'm so relieved. So I dip the shells into the chocolate, scoop my ice cream into my taco shells, and top with my cinnamon candy syrup.
Gentle with the cinnamon sauce.
I get the blackberry ice cream on the bottom of the cookie, put the top on,
10, 9, 8,
and then I coat the side with the pink peppercorn sugar.
5,
I garnish with shaved chocolate and graham crackers.
2, 1. Bobby, Jeremy, now we'd like to introduce you to the judges.
First up, pastry chef Paulette Goto. Pastry director at Craveable Hospitality Group, Zach Young. And president of Marcy Bloom Associates, Marcy Bloom. Please try the first ice cream sandwich.
This has all the elements of a really good cookie. Crispy, chewy, and gooey. But I wish the ice cream was a lot creamier. It is a little watery.
The blackberry and the chocolate, that is a total win. But between the blackberry seeds and those pink peppercorns, I'm gonna have to go see my dentist.
I love the berries and the chocolate. I wasn't expecting that flavor, but the ice cream could have been just a little bit creamier.
Please try the second ice cream sandwich.
This ice cream, it's rich, it's creamy. I like the heat of the cinnamon, but I found it to be just a little bit gummy.
Because I had to eat my way in, I was left with a lot of taco shell, but it was a delicious chocolate shell. I mean, it was paper thin. I felt fancy.
Well, I don't know how fancy I felt, but the ice cream was really creamy. But the cinnamon tasted medicinal.
Both of you churned out fantastic dishes.
And the winner is